Hello, today I'm going to show you how to calculate the integral of x dx divided by x2 plus 9. Okay, you can solve this integral using the substitution rule. So if you define x2 plus 9 as u, and if you take the derivative from each side of this equation, you will get 2x dx will be equal to du. Okay, in other words, x dx will be equal to 1 divided by 2 du. Okay, so all you need to do here is to substitute these two expressions into this integral and rewrite this integral. So that will be integral of, instead of x to x, that is x to x, I simply write 1 divided by 2 du. Okay, 1 divided by 2 is constant, so I can take it out of the integral. Divided by x2 plus 9. Instead of x2 plus 9, I write u. Okay, that's the way I define u, right? And this integral of du over u, we know that will be equal to ln u plus c, which is the constant of the integral. Okay, so all you need to do here is to substitute this parameter u with the definition of u, which is given here. That will be equal to 1 divided by 2 ln x2 plus 9 plus c. Okay, and that's the solution to this integral. I hope you found this video helpful. If you're interested, please feel free to subscribe to this channel so that you get updated when I upload new videos. Thank you.